Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to sign up for Venue application. So let's get started right away. First of all, make sure to download the Venue app on your device and launch it open. From the first interface of Venue, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. In the menu displayed on the next page, tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Now, enter a name for your account in the first text box. On the next field, type in a valid email address. Once you are done, in the password field, create a password for your account, which is at least 8 characters long. Once you are done, tap on Create Account at the bottom. And soon after you do that, you will be able to create a new account for Venue app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.